Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am telling you the multiplication of 9. This is special 9. Look how easy it is. It is so easy. Next one. Now let's learn the logic behind this. Special 9. The first one is 43 multiplied by 99. First we subtract minus 1 from the number 43. 43 minus 1 is 42. Now the rest is this number all from 9 and the last from 10. Means 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 4257. Here also 131. We will write the predecessor of. That means minus 1. 130 first number, and then next is subtract from 9 and the last from 10. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is the logic. Minus 1. First we subtract the 1. Take predecessor. And then all from 9 and last from 10. Rest of the number we subtract from the 9 and the last number we subtracted from the 10. Let us solve next one. 62 multiplied by 99. Here also we will write the predecessor of this number. If you don't know the predecessor, then subtract minus 1. 62 minus 1 is 61. And then 9 minus 6, 3. And 10 minus 2 is 8. Here this 78. Now you can solve it in your mind also. 77. And this number subtracted from the 9 and this is from the 10. So 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 267. 266. Then 9, 9 and 10. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here comes your answer. The next is 81 multiplied by 99. 80. Then 9 and 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 6, 2, 7. Subtract from 9. All from 9 means the rest of the number we subtracted from the 9. And then last number subtract from the 10. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 55 multiplied by 99. 54, 9 and 10. 4 and 5. Now this number 520 multiply by 999. The method is same. 519, that means predecessor, or you can say minus 1 from this number, and all from 9, last from 10. Here 0 is, we will write as it is. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 0 as it is. Okay. 300 same way. 299. Here the last number is 3. So we directly subtract 10 from the 3. 700. Clear? Next. 289. And here 9, 10. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 9 is 1. Answer is 289710. 971 minus 1. 970. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now let us solve with me without thinking anything. Easy? This one also. Three four nine eight 6501. It's so easy. You can calculate in the mind also. The first one I solve it like this only. 864214, the predecessor of this number, and then all from 9 and last from 10. That means 9 minus 8 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 5. In this question, the calculator will show in the answer in the form of E. But here you can solve it in your own way. Now I will come back with the new trick of this special 9. Thank you for watching this video.